I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living, and this evening I'm getting ready to start our supper, and we're going to have a meal that we made about 2 weeks ago, and Marie liked it a lot and I did too, so we decided to do a video on it. And we're going to call this meal This and That Meal. It's got sort of a crazy name to it, but here's what happened. How many times have you ever been preparing a meal, and let's say you needed some noodles and you didn't have noodles to put in your meal, so you go out and you get a box of macaroni and cheese and you use the noodles that's out of the macaroni and cheese box. Well, when you get through, you got one of these little white packets left over that's just got cheese sauce in it. So that's what happened to us a couple of weeks ago, and Marie said, well, why don't we take and put some potatoes with that? I said, sounds good to me. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make that meal again this evening because we really enjoyed it. It turned out great, and let me show you how we did it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the potatoes peeled and sliced, and then I'll move the camera over here a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to get started here, and I'm going to take my little cheese mixture. This is just a packet that come out of a box of macaroni and cheese. I'm going to add a little bit of milk to it. Now this is canned milk that we had in the refrigerator. Mix that up good. Probably going to need just a little bit more. Okay, got that mixed up good, so set that to the side a second. Okay, I'm using an 8x8 casserole dish pan. I've got my potatoes already peeled and sliced, and I'm just going to put them in there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead wipe my hands off because they were a little bit oily where I had boiled them a little bit. I'm going to put some salt and pepper on the potatoes. Just put as much as you like. And I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to let that be down here first. I don't want it to be on top of the dish. Marie taught me that garlic powder is bad about burning on top of your dish. Then I'm going to put a little bit of cayenne pepper. Not much now because I can't stand the heat, but I do like a little bit mixed in there, and it does make it good. Okay. Next I'm going to go ahead and pour this cheese mixture over it. Marie, does that look like I got enough milk in that to be good?
Oh yeah.
Or do I need a little more?
I think you do.
Okay, let me go ahead and pour this over. I have to refer back to Marie because she is the cook. Try to get it sprayed over them pretty evenly. Okay. Now I'm going to I've got some hot dog weenies that was, they're like extras, but we use hot dog weenies for a lot of things. But I'm going to go ahead and slice these up a little bit. Okay, I'll just put these in on top. Now you could substitute, if you didn't want to put hot dog weenies in it, you could put some hamburger meat that had been already cooked up and browned. You could probably do anything you wanted. This is just what we put in last week, We liked how it turned out.
You can also put kielbasa.
Oh yeah, smoked sausage, kielbasa, any of that would be good on it also. Okay, I'm gonna put some cheese on it. Got a couple of small packs that don't have much in them, so I'm gonna use them first. This is mozzarella cheese.
Was you gonna put any pepper and onion in it?
Oh yeah, I got to put that in there too. I almost forgot that, but we're gonna put some peppers and onions on top of it also. And we're just using a pack of the frozen 3-color pepper and onions. We use these quite often because it saves a lot of work. You don't have to chop it up and all that.
Fast and easy.
Fast and easy, that's why Marie and I like it. I'm gonna put a little more pepper and onion than I did last time, Marie. We've got, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish this bag out. Okay, that looks good there. And I'm gonna put some cheese on top of it right now. And then after it's cooking, when it gets close to the end, I'll put just a little more cheese on top of it then. But for right now, I'm just gonna put a little bit of cheese on it to be going down into it. Okay. Let me show you how this looks before we actually put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees and let it cook for about 30 minutes. And during the last 10 minutes, I'll add some more cheese on top of it. So let me get this in the oven. We'll be back. Okay, it just came out of the oven. And it really does smell good and looks good. We'll let it sit here and cool for just a minute before I serve it. You do want to go ahead and cook this. I had said 350, but I should have said 400. And so you're going to cook it for about 30 minutes at 400. I did cover it up with some aluminum foil during the last few minutes so that the top wouldn't get too brown. Okay, let me get some of it served up right quick. It definitely looks very good. And like I said, we had this last week and we really enjoyed it. Okay, let me get us some vegetables to go with it. Now, this is one of our favorite vegetables. We like the broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. And it's called the California blend, but when we buy it, we buy the individual packs and just mix our own. That way we can get a little more carrots or whatever we like the best. And I prefer a lot of carrots, so I'll go ahead and put me plenty in there. Okay, let me get the camera over here a little closer and show you exactly how this looks. Marie, how's that look?
It looks and smells great.
Okay. Okay, thanks everyone for watching this video. We're fixing to go sit down and eat this. We're calling it This and That meal. It's actually just some good cheesy potatoes with some wieners and peppers in it. But hope you enjoyed this video. Everyone have a great day, and we will see you on our next video.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.